Welcome to the Yalem Kitchen, and today I'm gonna make you one dirty banana. Alright, let's go. So now we're gonna get with smoothie cup, we're gonna blend it in, and then we're gonna drop in some ice, and then we're gonna drop in some banana liquor, just an ounce, and then 1 ounce of Kalula. So if you know, say if you have the pouring spout, you just have to put in a measuring cup, and then you go pour it in the mixture them what you try to make. Alright, then me come in with Ray and his nephews, okay, 1 ounce. When me tell you, me just love the ounce. 1 ounce of everybody in this drink. Alright, then you go in with half a cup of cream. Me did add some more cream after this because I realized me did out of heavy cream, so I just end up using some table cream on top of that. Alright, so now you go put like a half a banana in it because it have a taste banana-y, you know, get me, banana-y, yeah. And then we'll slap on the lid because we're gonna blend right now. Alright, so now we're gonna blend, and get the glass ready, because we glass ready for, we mixture. Then now we are coming for just pour in our glass. Watch your man, nice and creamy. I may tell you, with somebody who have lactose, me never have no problem. I drink this. Yeah, that drink is bad. I'm hope say tell mama, papa, auntie, and uncle. Hope you can enjoy this on a nice, cozy day. And I love you. Bye.